Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to make a lasting first impression with your home, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of entryway tables and decor, showcasing beautiful ideas that will elevate your home's entrance. Whether your style is modern, rustic, or somewhere in between, these ideas will inspire you to create a welcoming and stylish entryway. Choosing the perfect entryway table. Your entryway table sets the tone for the rest of your home, so choosing the right one is key. When selecting a table, consider the size and shape of your entryway. For smaller spaces, opt for a sleek, narrow table that doesn't overpower the area. If you have a larger foyer, a grander table can serve as a stunning centerpiece. Materials like wood, metal, or glass can define the style, whether you're going for a classic, contemporary, or industrial look. Decorating with style. Once you've found the perfect table, it's time to accessorize. Start with a focal point, such as a statement mirror or artwork above the table. Mirrors not only enhance the space, but also reflect light, making your entryway feel brighter and more inviting. Next, add layers with decor pieces like vases, books, or candles. Group items in odd numbers, such as threes, to create a balanced and aesthetically pleasing arrangement. Adding functionality. Your entryway can be both beautiful and functional. Consider adding trays or bowls for keys, mail, or other small items to keep things organized. A small basket or decorative box can store shoes or umbrellas discreetly. If space allows, add a bench or a couple of stools underneath the table for extra seating or storage. This practical approach ensures your entryway is not just a pretty face, but also a helpful part of your home. Seasonal and personal touches. To keep your entryway fresh and inviting year-round, consider incorporating seasonal decor. Fresh flowers in spring, pumpkins in fall, or holiday-themed items can add a touch of festivity. Personal touches like family photos, a favorite sculpture, or travel souvenirs can make your entryway feel uniquely yours. These elements not only welcome guests, but also tell a story about who lives in your home. Lighting matters. Don't underestimate the power of good lighting. A well-lit entryway is both functional and welcoming. Consider table lamps, wall sconces, or even a chandelier to illuminate your space. Choose lighting fixtures that complement the overall style of your decor, and opt for warm, inviting light to create a cozy atmosphere as soon as you step inside. Your entryway is the first and last thing guests see when they visit, so make it count. With these beautiful entryway table ideas and decor inspiration, you can create a space that's not only functional, but also a true reflection of your style. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home decor tips and inspiration.